Welcome back. In our previous tutorial, we discussed how to write to a file using the W mode in Python. Today, we're going to explore the R mode, which stands for read. This mode allows us to read data from a file. To read from a file, we first have to open it in R mode. Then, we can use the read method to read its contents. Let's dive into some Python code to better understand this. In this code, we open our previously created test.txt file in R mode. We then read the data from the file using the read method and store it in the variable data. After that, we close the file and print the data to the console. Now, let's run this code and see what happens. The output is hello, world, which is the content we wrote to the test.txt file in the previous tutorial. So, we have successfully read data from the file. You might be wondering, what if the file we want to read does not exist? Good question. If you try to open a non-existing file in R mode, Python will raise a file not found error. So it's always a good idea to check whether a file exists before trying to read from it. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to read data from a file in Python using the R mode. Keep practicing and happy coding.